You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting dog breed name from Hungary, originally in Central Europe, and from Hungarian, therefore that's why the spelling is a bit confusing. And it's not said Vizsla, okay? Those letters are not pronounced the same in Hungarian. Let's hear it. Vizsla is how it's pronounced. So the ZS letters in the middle are pronounced somewhere in between a J sound, like the soft G, J, and a Sh sound, like SH. Vizsla, so it's a J, Sh sound. Vizsla, dog. Now you know. Stay tuned for more dog breed names. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.